Messy code doesn't just look bad, it can seriously harm your project in ways you might not realize. Let's break down how bad code can slow you down and hurt your progress. 1. Slowing down development. The more disorganized your code is, the longer it takes to fix bugs or add features. You'll spend unnecessary time trying to understand unclear logic or poorly structured code. What should be a quick fix can easily turn into a day-long struggle just to make things work. 2. Hidden bugs. Messy code often hides bugs in plain sight. These issues may go unnoticed until they cause serious problems later on. The more complex and disorganized your code gets, the harder it becomes to spot and fix these bugs, leading to unpredictable behavior in your app. 3. Hurting collaboration. When your code is hard to read, it's difficult for others, or even your future self, to understand it. This makes collaborating with teammates frustrating and slow. Onboarding new developers becomes a challenge because they'll struggle to make sense of your code base. 4. Technical debt. Messy code creates technical debt. Every shortcut or quick fix piles up, and eventually you'll pay the price. It becomes more difficult and time-consuming to maintain your project as this debt accumulates. 5. Scaling problems. As your project grows, messy code makes scaling a nightmare. Adding new features or optimizing performance becomes difficult, risky, and much more time-consuming than it should be.